Coupon code in description and comments. Every brand needs professional visuals, but hiring designers for every project isn't always feasible or affordable. That's where Placeit comes in, the ultimate design tool that lets you create stunning mockups, logos, videos, and designs in minutes without any design experience. And right now, you can get exclusive access to Placeit's entire library at a special discount. Placeit offers thousands of mockup templates for showcasing your products, designs, or branding in realistic settings. T-shirt mockups display your designs on models in various poses and environments, perfect for fashion brands and print-on-demand sellers. Device mockups show your app or website on iPhones, iPads, laptops, and desktop monitors with professional backgrounds. Print mockups include business cards, flyers, posters, book covers, packaging, and more to visualize your print materials before production. Logo maker tools use AI to generate professional logo designs based on your company name and industry, with thousands of customizable templates. Video templates create engaging social media content, promotional videos, intros, outros, and slideshow presentations without video editing skills. Social media templates ensure your posts look professional across Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other platforms with correct dimensions and layouts. Gaming templates include Twitch overlays, YouTube thumbnails, Discord banners, and streaming graphics for content creators. Design templates cover business cards, flyers, invitations, certificates, and presentations. The customization tools let you adjust colors, fonts, images, and text to match your brand perfectly. Smart template technology automatically adjusts designs to maintain professional proportions and spacing. High-resolution downloads ensure your designs look crisp and professional in any size. Unlimited downloads with subscription plans mean you can create as many designs as you need without worrying about credits or limits. Commercial license included allows you to use Placeit designs for client work and commercial projects. Regular updates add new templates weekly, keeping your content fresh and on trend. No software installation required. Everything works directly in your web browser. If you want to create professional designs quickly and affordably, click the link in the description for your exclusive Placeit discount. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.